Good morning, Inspection Committee team members. This is Kavita Likhitkar, the Vice Principal of Dreams Play Public School, Multai. The affiliation code of our school is 1030887. Our school is situated in rural areas. Our vision is to provide them a good education so that they become a good citizen and a responsible, a disciplined person and a global citizen, so that they contribute their best in the welfare of the society and the country. Our mission is to give them best quality of education. So let's start the virtual inspection of our school. Thank you. This is the front gate of our school. I welcome you all for the virtual inspection. This is the parking area of our school. This is the entrance. From this side, student enters into the school building. Have the closure look of our boundary wall. It is four-sided covered. You can see the front view of the school building from outside also. This is the assembly area. Our student performed all the assembly activities here. You can see the ramp for disabled students. From this they enters into the school building. As we all know, pandemic is going on, so we take all precautionary measures, hand sanitization, thermal screening also done over here. We follow all safety rules during COVID for safety purpose.
playground area for small kids and LKG UKG section.
He is our PT sir.
This is the sandpit. Here is the cocoa ground. This is the volleyball court. Here is kabaddi ground.
This is our composite lab. Here our students get practical knowledge. She is our chemistry teacher. All the essential practical equipments are kept here. You can see the test tube, beakers, and all important chemicals and salts are kept here. This is the physics part. You can see the rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter. Let's move towards the biology portion. All the specimens are kept here. Even microscope is also here. You can see the models made by our students during the science exhibition. Have a closer look of our maths lab. Mathematical activities are conducted here based on various concepts. You can see the relation and functions, exterior angle polygon, angle indicator are kept here. Some important charts are also displayed here. Measuring cylinder, Pythagoras proof, algebraic identities, trigonometric board, etc. are kept here. He is our maths teacher. As you can see, this is our computer lab.
Welcome in chemistry lab, myself Pallavi Rao, and different types of instruments and chemicals present here. This is the balance for the measurement. Wall thermometers, pipettes, measuring cylinder for the measurements, keep apparatus, tripods. This is the measuring cylinders, funnel, measuring jar, sand bath, round bottom flask, test tube. This is the boiling test tubes. Reagents bottle is also present here. Round bottom flask. Beakers. This is the boiling beakers, and this is the apparatus for titration. Different types of chemicals is also present. This is the periodic table, which are help for the students for knowing the name of elements. These are the magnifying glass, vernier caliper, screw gauge, magnets, magnetic compass, lens, concave and convex mirrors, glass slab, prisms. These are the instruments present for the practicals in physics.
This is our biology lab. She is our bio teacher. As you can see, the all important specimens are kept here. Have a look of biological practical materials. You can see the microscope, stethoscope. All important charts are also displayed here for the fruitful information. You can see the biology record also. The key of success. So let's move towards the library. Library resources includes various reference materials, atlas, storybook, magazines, etc. You can see projector is also installed here. She is our library teacher. We have separate toilet for boys and girls and also for staff members. This is a boys toilet. This is a girls toilet. You can see the drinking area. For safe drinking water, water purifier is installed here. For the safety measures, we have fire related equipments. You can see the fire extinguisher is installed here. This is an additional room 1. This is well ventilated with appropriate furniture. You can see the chalkboard also here. We have 2 more additional rooms. This is the wing C of first floor. Have a closer look of our school building. Here you can see the greenery of our school. We always love green and clean environment. This is the wing B of ground floor. You can see some pictures are pasted here. This is our reception area. You can see the visitor place. This is the wing A of ground floor. This is our principal chamber. All CCTV cameras are aligned here to the LCD TV. So principal ma'am monitor all the ongoing activities. This is our staff room. This is our sports room. All the sports materials are kept here. Students always enjoy to play here indoor games. This is our activity room. You can see all the activities which is done by our students. This is our wellness room. Here it is our smart classroom. Presentations has been given by our well-trained teachers. 3 more projectors have been installed in other 3 rooms.